Sobrang sobrang sakit kasi we had the opportunity again and again and again. A lot of opportunities. Di ko di ko alam, sayang, sayang, sayang. Sayang, it could have been 3-1 easily. Experience, number one, experience during the end game. Yun lang ang dun lang tayo natatalo sa end game. I think perfect example is this game. They're very experienced. Their guards are very experienced. Barreas very experienced. So yun yung ginamit niya sa amin during the end game. So after this, malaking bagay itong natutunan namin dito. And yun naman ang goal namin, just to fight till the end, and we'll find ways how to win. Kung makukuha namin ng win till the end, sa huli, malaking bagay yun. But again, experience. Experience talaga yung malaking kalaban namin dito. But after this kind of games, I don't think kung makakaulit kami dito or in different tournaments, we know what to do. Solid tayo eh. It's just experience. Till end game. Nakikita naman natin sa end game. They executed well during the end game. We didn't execute our defense because, hindi naman namin na-expect kung ano mga gagawin nila eh, with their experience. Just like the last play of Barea against me. That was on me. That's my job to stop him and to defend him as much as possible, as much as I can. But the experience talaga nilabas.
Do you think if we had enough or if we had more time to prepare?
Yes, definitely. I think yun yung pinakamalaking bagay. We've been together for 43 days to be exact. So 43, 44 days together. That's not enough kasi itong mga team na to, matagal na magkakasama na ngayon eh. And they've been in the international competition every single year. Every single World Cup nandiyan yung mga yan. So ibang level of competition. We're here, but we're fighting till the end. Sino naman makaka-expect nun, diba? Kahit naman siguro kayo, hindi nyo rin expect na didikit talaga tayo dito, diba? Surprise lahat talaga, even us. But the goal is again to fight till the end and to makasungkit ng panalo. So, well, we'll find ways how to win tomorrow in Senegal. We're not gonna stop playing. We're not gonna stop getting that first win. I don't think I'm not sure if I'm not mistaken, any Asian team hindi pa nakakapanalo dito sa World Cup. So, zero pa sila. Iran, I don't know, Korea. So, diba? Siguro it's a pride for us as a part of an Asian team na makapanalo ng isa sa World.